beautiful people, it's your girl Macchiatomade, and I'm back with another wig review. But obviously I got some fire this time, and it is stunning. I'm not even gonna hold back how I feel about this. Stick around if you would like to see how I achieved this look and how I installed the unit. Leave me a comment also. I'm curious how many people would want to try this unit or this colorway. I feel like it's gorgeous, y'all. Gorgeous. And if you find this video informative, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that way you'll get notifications on my next review. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so right into this video. This is the Bobbi Boss Harena. It is a 13x4 deep lace wig. This is a synthetic wig. They usually say premium fibers or premium synthetic. If at any point you guys need, please pause the video so that way you can get the information on the stock card. It does come in 5 specialty colors in addition to natural colors such as 1, 1B, and number 2. That is the curl on this unit. Inside, you'll see the amount of parting space that you have for this unit. It has 2 combs at the temple, as well as 1 in the midsection, also in the nape. If you are someone who has a smaller cap size, you have your adjustable bands to adjust the unit as well. Right in this area, I'm showing you guys how the money piece is pretty much ventilated into the wig to give you that color play. So this is how we're going to install the unit. I'm starting off by applying my stocking caps. I do have locks under my unit. If you guys are interested in seeing a detailed prep video, just check out my page, and I do have one on there. And I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses to kind of tint my stocking cap to make it a deeper, darker brown so that the unit melts in a little bit better. And then after that, I'm just going in with some prep to clean the area, and then I'm gonna apply the unit. So let's kind of just listen to some music, vibe out, and watch this installation.
You go, oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you first said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I confess, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it back on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it back on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it back on take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it back on take you there, I'll take you there.
As you can see, guys, that was very easy for me to install. I am truly enjoying this unit. It is soft, light, fluffy, very easy to work with. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the sides as well as the back. Guys, this unit, I'll give it a 9 out of 10 because I haven't worn it for that long and I just want to see how it keeps up over time. But nonetheless, this unit is definitely bomb. You guys should definitely check it out. Try the colors. Don't be afraid of trying the colors. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.